Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi, and previous sessions we have sort out some problems, and today we are going to solve some another problems. So first we have a problems. This is check whether this is minus 170 minus 170 is a term of AP or not, and second, which term of AP is 0, or the APs we have given. And third one is the 17th term of AP is exceeds 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Okay, now see this solution number 1. Check whether the minus 170 is a term of AP or not. Because we don't know whether it is in AP or not. So we have the AP is 14. This is 11, 8, 5 and 2. This is dot 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 dot. If minus 170 is term, so it will be after this one, because the AP is in decreasing order. So this is after x number of terms it will be. So that means let the nth term, we don't know that is the which term is, so we assume this one, the let nth term is minus 170. Let nth term is 100 minus 170. So that means if nth term is, this is given, this is minus 170, right? This is the nth term, and we have this is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 170. We don't have a, we don't know a, and we don't have d, and we don't have n, but this, look, this one AP. So we can get this a. The a is 14 and d is 11 minus 14 is equal to minus 3. Now put these values on this one equation, these equations. The a is 14 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 170. First, this 14 has to be transferred on the right hand side. That is n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 170 minus 14. So this is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 184. Now this minus 3 is multiple on the left hand side. Now put it on the right hand side. We will get this one, minus 184 upon minus 3. Minus minus cancel out. This is equal to this is 6 3 is 18, 6 1 61 1 upon 3. So basically the order must be positive. The order, yani, that means nth term in nth term n must be positive. First criteria. And second, first n must be integer, positive integer, right? That means the roll number will not be in the fractions anytime, right? So it must be the positive integers. So if I write this as n minus 1 is equal to, this is 184 upon 3, then n is equal to 184 upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 187 upon 3. So it will be not the positive integer, it is a rational number. This is a rational number, right? So that means there is no term which is minus 170. That means there is no term which is minus 170. So right, we write this is no term. Now second, this is solution second, which term of AP is 0, which we have minus 100 minus 93 dot 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 dot, which term is 0. So let nth term is equal to 0. Again, this is a is equal to minus 100 and d is equal to minus 93 minus 100 is equal to minus 93 plus 100 is equal to 7, right? Minus into minus plus. See, this is a n is equal to 0, let, and this is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. A we have, this is minus 100 plus n minus 1 into 7 is equal to 0. N minus 1 into 7 is equal to 100. This is on the right hand side. N minus 1 is equal to 100 upon 7. N is equal to 100 upon 7 plus 1 is equal to 107 upon 7. So that means again this is the rational numbers. It is not a positive integer. It is not positive integer. Positive integer. So there is no term. There is no term which is 0. Term which is 0. Which is 0. So for if n is positive integer, then we will discuss this one further, right? Now solution number third, the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term. The 10th term is greater than 10th term. That means if you add this exceed by the 10th term, this is more than 7. That means it is given in the question. The 17th term is 7 more than 10th term. So that means 17th term 7 exceed by the 10th term, right? Yeah, 10th term exceed by the 7. This is 17th term exceeds its 10th term by 7, right? Find the common difference. It is given A17 is equal to A10 plus 7. Now put the value of A plus 16D is equal to A plus 9D plus 7. A cancel out. This is both are positive on left hand side, right hand side. Then 16D minus 9D is equal to 7. It is 7D is equal to 7. The D is equal to 1. Right. So that is the solution of these three problems. Thank you, students. Thank you.